Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover delete photo or video on brand new iPhone 16e. Friends, you can easily recover any photo or video on your iPhone. Now open the iPhone photo application to recover your delete items. After opening the app, scroll down. At the bottom, you will find the recently deleted option under the utility tab. Tap on it. Use Face ID to view this album. Now tap on View Album. To recover delete item, verify with Face ID or passcode that you have set on your iPhone lock screen. If the Face ID verification is failed, then enter your iPhone passcode. After that, you will find all your recently deleted photo and video from here. When you will delete any item on your iPhone Photos app, it is stored in this folder. Now you can only recover items that you have deleted in the last 40 days. Some delete items that are more than 40 days old cannot be recovered from here. Now recover any items from here, tap on Select. Then select the all items that you want to recover. Once the items are selected, tap on 3 dotted line. Then click on Recover. Again tap on Recover items. After that, all of these items are available on your iPhone Photos app. So guys, in this way you can recover any deleted photo or video on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.